Every evening, when the sun touched the treetops, a narrow forest path appeared near the old oak tree, and every morning it was gone. The rabbit noticed it first. One evening, while hopping home, he stopped suddenly. "Was this path here yesterday?" he whispered. The path was narrow, glowing slightly in the golden light, twisting deep into the forest where no one usually went. The rabbit took one step closer. The ground felt firm, safe. From behind the bushes, the fox watched carefully. "A new path?" the fox thought. "Forests don't make mistakes." The fox stepped out. Well, looks like you found a shortcut." The rabbit looked back. "I don't remember this path," he said. "That means no one knows where it goes," the fox smiled. "Perfect." The fox stepped onto the path confidently. Nothing happened. "So?" he laughed. "Just another road." The rabbit hesitated, then followed, keeping distance. As they walked deeper, the forest began to change. The trees grew taller, the light grew dimmer, the sounds felt far away. The rabbit noticed something strange. No footprints, not his, not the fox's. The path remained smooth behind them, like it erased every step. The rabbit slowed down. "Do you hear that?" he asked. The fox listened. Nothing. No birds, no wind, only their breathing. Suddenly, the path split into two. One side looked bright and safe, the other was darker, winding behind twisted trees. The fox didn't hesitate. "Dark paths always hide secrets," he said, stepping towards it. The rabbit noticed small glowing stones near the bright path, arranged carefully, like signs. "Wait," the rabbit said. "I think this path is meant to be followed." The fox laughed. "Paths don't think." He ran ahead. The rabbit chose the bright path. The forest reacted instantly. The fox's path grew narrower. Branches leaned inward, shadows stretched longer. The rabbit's path stayed calm, light guided each step. The rabbit stopped and looked back. "Fox," he called. No answer. The rabbit followed the glowing stones faster now. Suddenly, the two paths met again near a clearing. The fox stumbled out, breathing hard, covered in leaves. "What happened?" the rabbit asked. The fox shook his head. "The forest kept changing every time I rushed." The rabbit looked at the stones. "They weren't shortcuts," he said softly. "They were instructions." The fox looked at the path behind them. It was already fading. As the sun dipped below the trees, the path vanished completely. They stood on normal forest ground again, silent. The fox spoke first. "Tomorrow, that path won't be here." The rabbit nodded. "But the forest will remember who listened." They walked quietly home, and that night the forest rested, waiting for the next evening.